Okay, so here's a quick tutorial on how to install the swing trading software into MT4. So first thing you want to do is grab the software. You would have been sent a zip file which you need to unzip, and then in that file you will have two folders. First we're going to grab the indicators. We want to highlight all of these and we want to copy them. Then we want to go back to MT4, click File, Open Data Folder, go to MQL4, Indicators, and paste these files in here. Okay. The next thing you want to do is close this box, go back to the folder where you unzipped, go to Template, take this file, copy it, back to MT4, File, Open Data Folder, go down to Templates, and again you want to paste this file in here. Then what we need to do is actually close MT4 and reopen it. Then what you can do is right click on your chart, go down to Template, Dynamic STS, and there you go. That is now on your chart and installed.